Lippert Components axles always go farther. Every one of our recreational vehicle and trailer axles boasts an impressive list of standard features and is assembled in the United States. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment and experienced axle professionals ensure that every component meets our high standards and your custom specifications. We've developed a number of key production processes to meet your spring, torsion, and heavy-duty 10 to 12K capacity axle needs and ensure that every axle we make meets your specifications and exceeds market standards every time. Before the axle beams are prepped, we powder coat them. Superior to a typical wet coat process, the powder coat finish ensures the axles will not prematurely corrode. Powder-coated axles are protected against premature corrosion from road salt and other harsh, more aggressive road chemicals. The next step in our manufacturing process is here at the drill and camber machine, which our expert automation team designed and built in-house. This machine produces premium product precision and increases efficiency utilizing state-of-the-art technology, including servo control and precision drill units. The intelligent drill and camber machine detects tube size, centers each one for accuracy, and ensures that the camber is within tolerance on each axle before it is permitted to move on to the next step in the manufacturing process. Some of our competitors still use a variety of manual cambering processes in which human error can play a dangerous role, allowing improper toe and camber to pass through to the finished product. After each axle is precisely cambered, we robotically perform critical welds to ensure that we have consistent, fully penetrated welds on all spindles, spring seats, torsion arms, and torsion brackets. This step is another quality and safety measure that Lippert Components takes when other manufacturers do not. Safety and quality are our highest priorities. We are the first in the industry to use ultrasonic testing to ensure the weld integrity of every axle we manufacture. First used in the railroad industry, ultrasonic testing is highly accurate and permits a higher frequency of weld penetration checks on axles. Lippert Components uses a one-piece integrated spindle. Our competition manually welds the brake flange onto their axles. What exactly does this mean for your product? Our one-piece spindle prevents many alignment issues, uneven bearing wear, and potential failure that can be caused by inaccurate welds. The one-piece spindle also means your customers are less likely to experience uneven or premature tire wear, which could lead to chucking, poor fuel economy, and towing difficulties. Lippert Components was the first axle supplier to offer fully waterproof silicone connectors standard on all brake wires. Used by the marine industry, these connectors are an added safety feature that prevents corrosion to brake wires, ensuring that brakes work when your customers need them most. Like the automotive industry, Lippert Components uses a direct current, or DC, nut runner to ensure the spring is installed to the proper torque specifications, ensuring proper torque on all 4 contact points. LCI records torque readings for every axle. We run magnet amp checks on all axles to ensure all the wiring is working properly, and every brake is adjusted for optimal performance from the start. From our precision robotic cambering machine and integrated one-piece spindle to waterproof electrical connections and premium black powder coat finish, every quality detail brings added safety, durability, and longevity to ensure that our axles will always go farther.